Happening today in Tallahassee, the Senate is expected to conduct a full vote that could eliminate the Tenant Bill of Rights in counties across the state, including here in Miami-Dade.
Yeah, bills HB 1417 and SB 1586. They would require landlords and renters to follow the state's Florida Landlord and Tenant Act. That's for the entire state. So what does this mean for residents here in Miami-Dade?
That's a big question. Joining us now this morning is the Executive Director of Miami Workers Center, Sandra Dennis. Sandra, we appreciate you being with us. So to break this down, what I understand is the state wants it to be universal, where a lot of these cities have their own bills of rights, right? And you actually, the center that you work for, helped draft one of those.
Correct. Thanks so much for having me.
So when it comes to protecting renters' Bill of Rights, what does the Bill of Rights that you were involved in help do?
Absolutely. Tenants and organizers in Miami-Dade County fought for a Bill of Rights to ensure that tenants could withhold any repairs that they made, withhold from their rent. And so what we would find is that tenants would complain and have appliances that weren't working, that they would have conditions in their homes that landlords wouldn't fix for years. And so through the Tenant Bill of Rights, we had a right to repair. We also asked that tenants not be discriminated based on their previous evictions. And so in the first application, that tenants actually get a chance to speak about their experience as tenants, because what happened to you as an 18-year-old, 19-year-old college students shouldn't follow you for the rest of your lives. And evictions never leave your records. We also fought for anti-retaliations and so many other things that are part of the Tenant Bill of Rights.
Sandra, I went through some documentation here relative to the bill. There are a lot of differences. What are the key differences for you? What stands out?
I mean, absolutely. I think that for us, we know that tenants during the pandemic were experiencing a lot of, specifically around the conditions in their homes. We believe that this state bill is actually a reduction of tenant protections, and that tenants will be experiencing these conditions and won't have any recourse and won't be protected based on the bill that's going through the state right now.
Very quickly, let me ask you, what do you say to homeowners and building owners that will argue, look, I have to make repairs, I have to be solvent, I have to keep in business, and unless I can raise that rent, I won't be able to do that?
Right. I think that's I think we want to always clarify what's happening in Miami-Dade County and across the country. We've seen corporate landlords, investors really buy up lots of stock in our communities. They actually do have the funding to make repairs. The kind of repairs that we see that need to be done in their homes have not taken place. And so we believe that someone should be held accountable for the conditions in people's homes, and the law should protect tenants so that they can live in safe housing.
We'll see what plays out statewide.
Yeah, yes. Indeed. We could talk about this all morning long, Sandra, but thank you for being with us this morning for this brief time and shedding some light on this.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
Sure.